Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use PayPal for Amazon, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, head over to amazon.com. Now you have to know that PayPal is not directly supported in Amazon, but if you have a PayPal Visa credit card or debit card, you can use that card's information. So just head over to your account, just like this one, and then you see your payments. So click on your payments. After that, you see that it says add a payment method, so you're going to click on add a payment method, and then you can see that they have a bunch of these options, Venmo and everything, but PayPal isn't available, so we're going to click on add a credit or debit card, and then you're going to put in your PayPal debit card or credit card amount, like the number, and then the name on your card, the expiration date, and then the CVV or CVC, that one, and then click on add your card. Or you could also link your card just like that, and there you go. This is how to do it. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.